Cha-cha-cha, a rhythmic phrase in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and rhythmic phrase, cha-cha-cha. This phrase is not just a set of sounds, it's a bridge connecting language and music. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and the cultural context behind it. Cha-cha-cha is originally a musical term, referring to a dance style that originated in Cuba in the 1950s. The name mimics the sound of the shuffling feet of dancers. But it's not just a dance. The phrase has found its way into everyday language, often used to express rhythm, excitement, or a playful mood in various contexts. The cultural impact of cha-cha-cha is significant. It symbolizes a lively, upbeat attitude and is often associated with celebration and joy. In English-speaking countries, it's been embraced not just in dance but also in music, movies, and even in everyday speech as an expression of fun and energy. In English, cha-cha-cha is used in several ways. 1. As a noun, referring to the dance itself. 2. As an interjection, to add a playful or rhythmic flair to a conversation. 3. Metaphorically, to describe something lively or fast-paced, like, the project moved at a cha-cha-cha pace. It's important to note that cha-cha-cha isn't used in serious or formal contexts. Using it in a business meeting or formal report could be inappropriate. It's best suited for casual, informal settings or when discussing music or dance. Let's look at some examples of cha-cha-cha in songs, movies, and TV shows. This will help you understand its usage in a real-world context. For instance, in the song, Cha-Cha Slide, the phrase is used to guide the dance moves. And that's the rhythm of cha-cha-cha. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of this lively phrase and how it's used in the English language. Remember, language learning can be fun, just like a dance. Keep practicing, and don't forget to add a little cha-cha-cha to your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.